everybody, guess who's back? Moi! I feel so good today. I've had such a wonderful week, and like I promised you guys, I am back with my collab palette with JUVIA'S place, and we are going for yet another look, and this time we are going in with All Night Long. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. Happy holidays, my darlings. I had the opportunity to collab with JUVIA'S please. Before I continue, I want to give a special shout out to Chichi. Chichi, I love you. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you for this great collab. Guys, you have to understand that we did this during quarantine. You cannot begin to imagine the amount of emails and texts and back and forth with images and colors and swatches that we had to do before we got here. And I want you to know that a huge part of this goes to my darling hubby wubby, because he chose this color. And he came up with names, and you know, it was really a collaboration. So that is why I'm terribly excited. And of course, I want to show you how diverse this palette is. So today's makeup tutorial, like I said, we are going in with All Night Long. I've already done the makeup tutorial. This is my final look. This is me going out with them Diana Ross, Whitney Houston, Tina Turner. That's how I feel. And I'm going to give you a step-by-step of how I created this look. Now, there are two things I want you guys to know, and I want you to take with you the tips and tricks. Always use a glue. That way your glitter will not fall out. It will stay in place. And this is one of the quickest makeup tutorials that you can do for beginners. So without any further ado loops, let's get into the tutorial. love, my darlings? Do we love? I love. I live. This is such a glam look. You do this for editorials, you do it for magazines, but again, you can wear this when you are going out to your parties, to your Christmas parties, you're going out to the clubs. This works. It's a smoky glitter eye and it is everything. It's a huge statement look, so you can go with a nude lip. You can go with any colored lip actually, but the thing is, your eyes are jewels. They are awake, they are alive for the night, for all night long. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, my darlings. I love this look. It came out better than I expected. And that's a lot for me to say. But I hope you enjoyed it, my darlings. I absolutely did. Like I said, get this beautiful palette, get the lip gloss. We're coming back, yep, with more looks for you. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Leave all of your questions, queries, and comments down below. I'm trying to answer as many as I can and feed Adrian, be a mom, and come up with looks for you guys, okay? Well, let's say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my sweets. Mwah.